Are you creating your meta ads manually? Oh, it's a mess. There are too many steps, confusing fields, and wasted hours. As a result, no conversions, only waste of money. Meet AdGenius, the smartest tool and the smartest way to generate high converting meta ads in minutes. There is no guesswork, just results. Simply click create campaign and paste your product URL. We will do everything. We will fetch everything automatically from the page. Or drop in a quick product campaign brief and upload your product image. Or do you want full control? Use our step-by-step wizard to guide and give all the details. And again upload the product image to create your high converting professional ad creative and ad campaign using AdGenius. Now let the AI do its magic in backend. Your high performing ad is being crafted just for you in less than 30 seconds. Boom! Your ad is ready now. It's completed with ad copy, ad creative, detailed targeting and budget suggestions. Just have a look. If you want to edit it, you can edit it, or if you want to regenerate, you can click regenerate and recreate your ad creative or ad copy. Once you find with your ad copy and ad creatives, just click the download package. It will download your full ad package. It's including creative image, ad copy, targeting file, and ready to upload meta CSV. Simply go to the ads manager and upload your image first, and then the CSV which got generated by AdGenius, and simply upload it. That's like that. You are live now. And your ad campaign is got created. Simply click publish button. With AdGenius, launching powerful and high converting ads is effortless. Try it for free and start converting today. Thank you.